welcome to the Backwoods.
Hey, it's opening day in Florida. I'm taking my dad G. I'm gonna try to get him an Osceola.
He's up the road. That's what you see.
That turkey ran off. I don't have a clue why. I'm sure you're thinking it's because I called too much or because my calling just plain sucks, but we're just going to sit here. There's been a bunch of hens in the area. We can still hear some on the roost, so we'll see. I don't know what choke is in Dad's shotgun, but I can assure you it is not the true lock that's supposed to be in it. It's opening day, and that's probably one of the things that fell through the cracks, because based on that pattern, it looks like something he's been shooting doves with back in the fall. Either way, though, it worked out okay. That turkey was at 30 yards, and he is done. Well, congratulations.
Thanks, sir. Been a long time trying to do this out here in this one spot, but finally came together.
The covert camera's been showing a couple birds out here. One strutting, and I think this is the strutter that's been hanging out with those hens. There's 9 of them hens, and every one of them was inside of 30 yards this morning.
They were in a pile. Had to wait for them to move out of the way so we could shoot him.
But let's see what he's got here. I'm gonna call him 8-inch beard. Not real long, probably a 2-year-old bird, but he's got real good spurs.
Yeah, this was a good one here.
This one's probably an inch, and that one's a little better than an inch. But just real sharp spurs. But there he is.
Yep.
Opening day in Florida. And already got one down.
Good job. I'm proud.
Yeah, you did a lot of work scouting this bird out, didn't you?
I did. It was man, many hours, many hours.
Well, I ain't so sure that's all the truth, but regardless, I'm happy you shot you a turkey opening morning in Florida.
Me too. Me too.
Big old pretty Osceola. Look, Osceola's got those real dark wings. Very, very little white barring. And some of them feathers are almost solid black. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. I'll take you. That'll do.
We ain't throwing him back, that's for sure.
That'll do.